So this is a limited edition eyeshadow and face palette from Sephora's holiday collection. Look how pretty this packaging is. It's called Wild Days eyeshadow and face palette. This retails for $18, and you know the sale's going on right now, so we're gonna see how it swatches. We're gonna try it on. So before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and let's go ahead and get started. They do have other things in this collection. I just decided to pick this one. Ooh, look how pretty. I like that. This is how it looks in the back. Okay, let me just take this off so we see what it looks like. Look at that. We have shimmers and mattes. Oh my god. I did not know that the face products were like shimmer. We'll have to swatch it and see. This color looks gorgeous to me. Oh my god. And for some reason, this blue one as well. We'll see what look we'll create. I'll definitely do more than one look on my channel with this for sure. Also, I do want to mention that it has like a magnetic closure, so I like it. Like if you travel with it, it's not just gonna like pop open. You see, like just closes back up. Here is the swatches of the face powders. This looks so good. It swatches very different than what it looks in the palette. So have here the beautiful blush. This is the color that I gravitate towards. I love a peach corally shade, so this is perfect. And please note how light these shades are. So you have here the bronzer, very light as well. Gold highlight. Definitely looks blinding in the swatch. Very gold, as you can see. I'm super excited to try this on. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the eyeshadows. Okay, so I just did the swatches. Here's what they look like, but I'll insert a picture because of course, look how terrible they look here. I already have some that have stolen my heart. This one here, to die for. I can't even tell you how that swatched. And then this one here, oh my god, these two are like everything. I love this transition shade. It looks so good. The one that swatched like poorly a little bit was this one. Don't worry if today's look isn't for you. I will definitely create another one. You can also leave me in the comments like any requests you have. We are going to try this on now. Oh my god. I love that you can close it completely like this. Start with the bronzer. Just tell you, for someone that doesn't like glitter or shimmer in their face palettes, it barely shows up on your face, so I couldn't be happier about that. I was already like oh my god, but no, like I think you would see like some glitter here, but if you see it, is extremely fine. I mean, trust me, you can barely see it. It's kickback in the palette, but I don't care about those things. Just be careful, like whatever you're wearing, you don't get dirty. Extremely light. I went super heavy-handed with this. Still doesn't look as dark. Hopefully they come out with something that's suitable for more skin types, not only like super light skin types. Just putting it out there. I keep forgetting that I have a mirror here. Oh my god, this color is everything. I am trying to pack it on a bit heavier so you can't see, but oh my god. Maybe the glitter shimmer is only like on the top, you know, like some lipsticks come like that, like on the top is all glitter, but then when you apply it, you don't see it at all. I could be blind, that's also an option, but I don't see it. I don't see it. Now the highlight. I'm thinking to use this brush. I don't know why, but I want to. Taking some there. You saw it was super pigmented, so wow. I don't know if I like this brush. This one, you know, it all depends what brush you apply it with, the intensity. I don't think it's that gold. It's definitely gold, but not like something like, oh, just forget it. But is it my favorite kind of highlight color? No, definitely no. Like more like of a champagne. That's what I love. It's not bad. Yeah, if you've seen this, I'm telling you again, don't be scared, like if you're scared of the glitter and stuff, because it's not showing up like that at all. I couldn't be happier about it. Not like the most blinding highlighter that I have tried, but you can see it. It's there. It's nice. Oh, imagine putting it like in the inner corner. Alright, moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and just do an eye look. I will tell you my thoughts. I just want to concentrate. By the way, my eyes are already primed with the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. So this is the look I created. I definitely had to improvise. All the colors, of course, I decided to go with the one that I said that swatched horribly. It made me do a lot of work. It's definitely not as pigmented as it comes up in the palette. This palette is extremely messy. Oh my god. Maybe I left some clips here and there when I'm cleaning some areas. You're a kind of person that you're able to do like your eye makeup first and then foundation, highly recommend. Or if not, like I'm not able to at the moment. I just can't do it. So it maybe use shadow shields or something. But one thing I do want to mention is that it's extremely easy to wipe off. Like it didn't like ruin my makeup. Like, you know, some like sparkles or something just stay stuck to your foundation. Not this one. I just took my kabuki brush, I cleaned the area, and it's like completely gone. I want to talk about the pigmentation. It's beautiful, like so pigmented. So let me just tell you the steps that I did. I went with this first shade here, and I just applied that all over the lid. I can blend everything better together. Then I went with this shade here. This is the transition shade that I used. So both of those are mattes. They worked perfectly. Wow, like this has performed better than some of my high-end palettes. I went with this shade because I wanted to do like a halo eye, which I think maybe you can still see it or not. I'm not a professional, so, you know, bear with me here. This one, wow. Like, I left some clips in, I took some clips out, but I worked and worked and worked to build this color up. Saw that I did cut the center of the lid so I can create that halo look. I used the Tarte concealer. I went in and I applied this shade here just to the center of the lid. It was beautiful. Like, I was mesmerized. I cannot believe how beautiful all these shades apply. You see, I tried to use as many shades as possible. I think the only ones that I didn't use, I think it was just this one. Really liked for this shade to be like darker, but it's okay. Maybe I could have gone in with this one, but I really wanted to keep it matte like in the outer corner and just shimmer like in the middle. Went in with this gold one here, like obsessed with it. Like I said, these two are like everything in this palette. And then I started blending out like the outer corners with it. And I decided to put this shade on top of this one, not all over it, but just like a little bit in the center. and oh my god, I just love it. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, these two combined together, beautiful. Or if you want to use them alone, I can't express how beautiful these are. And I really liked like that bit of gold that it gave to that pink. Went in and I made sure to darken the outer area and the inner corner here very well with this shade. For the inner corner, I went in with this color here because how can I not use it? Beautiful. Like, it just, oh, I can't. I would love it for all over the lid, even maybe for like highlight. This is like the perfect shade. I went in with this color here and I just applied it with a very, very small brush, the waterline, just because I didn't want it to be like bare when there was so much going in like the top, but I usually leave this blank anyway, whatever. And I wanted to blend it out because it was like too harsh, so I just went in with this transition shade. I just went with like a smudge brush, blended out. I did my liner, applied my mascara, then I applied these Lily lashes in MILF. I will leave everything in the bottom, even like my face makeup for whoever is interested, like the foundation I used and everything. I have to say, I highly recommend. The only complaint is that it's extremely messy. We'll definitely do another look with this palette. Highly recommend. So I will leave this down below if you want to check it out at Sephora. $18 is not bad for a face palette. Absolutely not. And it would be a beautiful gift or for yourself. Just gonna go and do my other video. We'll be doing a review of this Fenty little lip duo. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.